Hey guys, welcome back. We began our video here at the Fresno River Viaduct and then ending off at the Road 26 grade separation. Spoiler alert, there has been a lot of progress here in the city of Madera. Good news guys, the Avenue 17 grade separation is fully complete and open to traffic. This has been a long time in the making. I know some of you guys in Madera have probably been waiting for this. It was once a cul-de-sac that just ended at Avenue 17. Now it goes over the future high-speed rail tracks and the BNSF tracks. I do have some up-close shots at the end of the video, so keep watching. Here's Road 26 with its grade separation, and a lot has happened since I last filmed this, I think back in February. You can see a lot of the embankment work on the south side is mostly complete, filling up to the actual concrete deck itself. You can see on the north side a lot of the MSE embankment work is complete, and the deck is already done. There's already fencing in place, they're pouring sidewalks on the north side. They say it's going to be done by the end of Q4 of this year. I will definitely keep an eye on it, and I'm hoping it stays that way because it is an amazing grade separation. If you take Amtrak passing Madera, you will see this every single time you stop here. Here is the end of construction package 1. Usually you would think, oh, I'm gonna say thanks for watching. Not this time. I'm gonna have some extras that you're gonna see in just a second, including the Amtrak train that you might have noticed. I did film it leaving, and as well as I mentioned the Avenue 17 up close shots. As per usual, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more footage coming soon. Bye guys.